Okay, so where did this leave us? Well, let's summarise a little bit. What have we done? We've clearly established the relationship between power and time. We've done that from historical perspectives with the data from A.V. Hill, to looking at world record data, to then starting to look at that in individual bases, and we've started to understand that the relationship is hyperbolic. We've looked at that in relation to concepts of fatigue and exhaustion, that really this point, the asymptote of that relationship, defines the boundary between heavy and severe, that really any exercise that's below severe is limited by fatigue, and actually exercise that goes into the severe domain is exhaustive based exercise, which reflects the accumulation of those fatigues, and that what we get is the boundary between what is steady state and non-steady state exercise. That is, exercise in the severe domain is non-steady state based exercise. We've also connected to this the notion of the W prime, which represents the curvature constant, and that the W prime really reflects the anaerobic capability of the individual, but that anaerobic capability, as is the actual critical power itself, are related to the VO2 max of the individual. And then we've defined, well, how do you go about assessing this? We talked about the number of trials needed, we talked about the duration of the trials, we talked about the fact they need to be in the severe domain, and that the cadence needs to be controlled and probably needs to be related close to the VO2 max cadence that one would use.